Hi guys, and welcome to Hex tutorial channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use Canva to create a PowerPoint presentation. Actually, Canva is a good alternative for making a PowerPoint presentation because of a lot of features that you can do inside Canva. So let's go to my Canva account. Okay, let's go to create and choose presentation. So now there are a lot of features that you can do. There are templates that you can choose from, or you can start from scratch. And what we are doing today is to start from scratch. So for example, I'll just make some background of this scratch presentation. I'll make it green background, and I put some text on it. The title, for example, title of what. So I prepare some from this. I'm making what is systemy.io. So let's use this. Control V. That's it. And I want to put the logo of the systemy.io I have in here on my uploads. And this one, I want to put it here. If you don't know what is systemy.io is a software where you can create courses. So systemy.io. So let's copy again. Copy and add some text again. Text, just drag and drop. Then highlight, then Control V. Okay. So we can change the color of the text here. Just go here and maybe put blue. Also in here, blue or red. Okay. Just to make some difference. Then add here. You can add presentation. Then I want again to put a title. Control V. Okay. I can make this one smaller, like that. And I want to put some text. Copy again. Add again text. Control V. And okay, let's change again the color. For example, green, blue. Then we can change this to red, and we can add some pictures again. For example, we want this one. Just drag and drop the picture here. You can cut the picture if you want, or just put like that. That's it. And so on. Just that's how to do PowerPoint using Canva.com. You have a lot of options here. You can put some pictures if you want, like that. You can background also pictures. Okay. You can again add the logo. Can we change this to white so that it will pop up? Nah, it's not good. Yellow, green, black. Yeah, black. That's how to create PowerPoint presentation using Canva.com. So if you're good in it, you can add many more pages. Okay, that's it, and we can download now as PowerPoint. Okay, so let's go down more and check Microsoft PowerPoint. Dang, you can download the 5 pages. Okay, let's go and click this, the one that being downloaded. It's opening. That's it. So now we have already the PowerPoint presentation. You can present it now to your students like that. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. If you could, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. For the next video, I'll be showing you how to record this powerful presentation using Canva. Thank you.